From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar against the Swiss franc. The US dollar has rallied ever so slightly against the Swiss franc during the trading session on Tuesday as we continue to see a lot of noisy trading overall. And I think you have a scenario where a lot of people will be looking at this through the prism of a market that I believe is at least trying to sort itself out. The 0.81 level, for me at least, is the floor in the market longer term. And as long as we can stay above there, we still have a serious possibility of a sideways to upward market. You get paid at the end of every day to hold the US dollar against the Swiss franc, so there is a little bit of a reward for being patient. But once we break above the 0.84 level, then it's likely that 0.86 gets targeted, followed by 0.88. I have no interest whatsoever in shorting this pair, at least not until we get below the 0.81 level. But quite frankly, this might not be the pair that I would run to. I would short the US dollar against other currencies. For example, the British pound, which is quite strong as well, but doesn't have a central bank that might get involved. That doesn't necessarily mean that you can't short this pair. It's just that the Swiss are getting very uncomfortable based on recent statements of the strength of the Swiss franc, and it's not directly the US dollar cross rate that they're worried about, but if they were to intervene, it will influence all of these pairs, so do keep that in mind. So I'm waiting to see if we go sideways and then break out. If we do, I will have made a ton of money in the process through swap, would have opened up a move and then an addition or two in my trade, trying to milk it for everything it offers. CPI coming down on Wednesday will have a major influence on the US dollar, so be cognizant of that as well. My name's Chris. I work for Daily Forex. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.